This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 5, LP detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, TV, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is 3,821 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.